Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MI tutorial. Recently came across a post in one of the Power BI support group where a user is asking about how do we change the color of the lines based on the values. So this is my sales chart. So basically he wants to see the higher sales in performing as in green color, and then the mid-range sales performing in yellow color, and then the lower ones in the red color, something similar to what we do in the bar chart, where we go into the format tab, into data colors, and then do the conditional formatting. Right now, when you create a line chart and you try doing the same thing by going into the format tab to change the colors to apply the conditional formatting, there is no option in Power BI for us to change the color of the line. Right now, however, there is a workaround for this which you can use instead of trying to change the color of this line. Let me tell you what you need to do to get this working. Right, so I now have a line chart which is basically with subcategory and the sales amount. I'm going to convert this into the column chart. Right, so I've converted this into the column chart, and what I am going to now do is I'll go into the format tab and then come to data colors and click on this little FX button that you see here, which brings up the conditional formatting option for us. Right, and I'm going to select the field as sales amount because that's what we want. So basically on the sales amount is what we want to color the bar chart, the column chart. Right, and summarization is sum. Okay, and then I'm going to click here on diverging. When this happens, we get the another value over here, which is center. We have minimum, center, and maximum. Okay, so my lowest value, I'm going to say it needs to be red. Now this, depending on what you are doing, that will change. Right now I'm here on sales because if I'm making less sales, it needs to be in red for me. Right, and then my center value, I want this to be in yellow, and then on the maximum I want this to be in green because I'm making good number of sales, which is good for me. Right, and then I'm going to click on OK. The moment you click OK, you see that all the good performing categories here have been marked in green, and then you have slowly diverging colors into yellow, and then it goes into orange, and then finally into red. Right, now what you need to do is simply click on line chart. Right, when you do this, the line color remains the same. However, you get these little dots over here which will define which is green and which is your yellows and ambers and reds. Right, so this is the only workaround right now which is available in Power BI, which you can use. So I hope this video has helped you and you've learned something new. Consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.